guys, welcome back to my channel. In case you're new here, my name is Harriet, and today, as you can see by the title of the video, today leo tunafanya usafi, like we are cleaning. And I thought to do it today because Jerry is not in. Jerry went out with my parents, and the reason as to why I choose to do it without Jerry is because of course he's not helping me in any way, but at least he gives me that time to do it, because to do it while he's in is never possible. Jerry will always be all over, like all over. He will be running in and out of the room, and if I say I'm locking my room to be inside and he knows clearly I'm inside, he'll cry, obviously. So I choose to do it so long he's away. At least it favors both of us. He will not be here to cry, and he will not be here to be a bother. So that's why I'm doing it so long he is away. And then let's see, as you can see the background is a mess, like everything is just messed up. So I hope to be as fast as possible, of which I will try to do that, and then we will see how the room looks after cleaning. So let's get right into the video. So guys, let me give you a quickie on how the room is before I start cleaning. Look how that seat, look how full that seat is. Yeah. Yeah, that's how full the seat is, how everything is currently messed up. Yeah, we need to put everything in place. That seat is also full. At least the bed is made. Jerry's bed is also full. Yeah, so this is a quickie on how everything looks. I need to vacuum the carpets using the vacuum cleaner. These two carpets, this and this. Yeah, so everything is a mess. So this is a quickie before we start cleaning. A quickie before we start cleaning. I hope I'm not so fast because the camera doesn't seem to be focusing. Yeah, so all this needs to be put in place. Yeah, so let's get right into the cleaning process. Then we get back and see how everything looks after doing the cleaning. Yeah. So tuanze kazi sasa, kazi ya usafi. Kila kitu hapa needs to be put in place. That desk, it's a desk or a cupboard. Yeah, kila kitu needs to be put in place. Yeah, so acha tuanze kazi, acha tuanze usafi sasa. Don't know how long it will take, but I need to use this moment so long Jerry is away. Yeah, so long Jerry is away. So let's get right into the cleaning process. So guys, I'm right behind the camera, packing the clothes on the closet. That is my clothes and Jerry's. So I normally have this blanket because sitting in a better leather seat is always very uncomfortable, especially in Mombasa, my joto. It's never possible, so that's why I have this blanket, so that at least when you sit and you sweat, there is something to absorb the sweat. So that's why I have this blanket on it. Personally, if I was to choose to have a leather seat in my own house, I don't think I would go for a leather seat. No. But it depends with where you live. So, but for Mombasa, having a leather seat, it's a little bit uncomfortable. Especially when you sweat, like we do. power goes back here. This is like a hand fan, yeah. So this one stays somewhere here. These two towels. This goes to the bathroom. My bathroom is actually here, somewhere here. So I have to go through the main door to here. So these towels will go to the bathroom. These are Jerry's tiny socks. I think they're dirty. So I put them in the basket. Oh, I'm sweating. Oh, that's so. So guys, let's see how everything looks after whatever I've done. Yeah, so that's how that seat looks right now. Everything is done. Yeah, so now let's go to the next place. So the next thing we are doing here, I need to tidy this place. It has been full 24/7, so I need to free it up. I'm going to make it look a little bit better. So as for this part, of course, initially this part is normally to put your products, maybe mafuta kujipaka, perfume and all that. But for me, with Jerry, it's not possible to put my stuff on this opening. So I decided to use it to keep Jerry's diaper, things that I use always, all the time. Because if I put my stuff in here, Jerry anazimwaga zote, like Jerry anatupanisha kila kitu. So I decided to keep his stuff there, and my stuff I put. So what should be up? So what should be where the diaper is? I decided to put my stuff here so that Jerry asifikie. Jerry akijua that this is where I keep my stuff, the day he'll learn how to open sitaka kwa nyumba. So anyway, next time I'll make a video when all this is up here. So I'll try and make a video when I'll one day take these diapers out. I'll one day take these diapers out and then put whatever is in here there, so that I show you how the place looks, not only with the diaper thingy but with what it has to be with. So on this area there is not much to do, nothing much to clean. Yeah. So that is that for that place. The place belongs to Jerry for now, keeping Jerry's diaper, the wipes, the doom. Yeah. So it's about that time to start vacuuming the carpet. Yeah, let's see what we have. I clean as I put things back immediately. I finish up and put back things later. For me, that's something. Spending kujirudia, like I don't like working doing the same thing, the same place again. So tunafanya usafi tukisonga. So we clean as we go. Sometimes I can be looking for something, like I'm really looking for something, like this toy. Now found it under Jerry's bed. Na sasa hivi ndio naitafuta, kumbe Jerry ameisunda tu mahali. Almost everything because I've done what I've always wanted to do. As you saw, everything, how fine this seat was, everything was so messed up, but at least I've done what I've always wanted to do for almost last week. Let's call it a wrap for this video, then I show you how everything looks after putting things back in place. I feel I've achieved something. Like I feel kuna kitu nimefanya. Yeah, I feel like kuna kitu nimeaccomplish. Because this is something I always say, mostly in the middle of the week. I'm like, I will do it. I get occupied, maybe sometimes we go out, and I'm like, I will do. I love me, I'm lazy when things now become too much. You may sit in my chair, na kwa too lazy. Because there's sini room yangu huili, nani ataniuliza, hakuna mtu ataniuliza. So, but it just feels nice to be a place where it's neat, where it's clean, not more dusty. Yeah, so let's see how we will maintain the place as from next week. But I'm happy I've done what I wanted to do. So let's get to the next thing that I wanted to do, that is to show you how the room looks like now. And then we call it a day. Then I have my Sunday. So long Jerry is still away. So I put back my lamp to charge, but I took it out. So the lamp goes back to charger. So this was much later. These are chicken skin, by the way. So normally what we do when we buy chicken, we take the skin out and then make a snack out of it. Like, okay, chicken skin, we can either choose to leave the skin on the chicken, but as we normally choose to get them out, then fry them separately to eat them as a snack, of course. So what we do, we put the chicken skin on a pan without any extra oil, because all of this oil comes from the chicken skin itself. So we put them in a pan, let them fry kabisa until you feel they are so crunchy, as you can see. Yeah, so you can use any spice you want. For me, I used aromat to make them a little bit spicy. You can as well put any spice in you feel comfortable with. And then you can imagine that out of 8 chicken, all this oil came from the 8 chicken. So this is how it ended up coming out, and we had a snack. Yeah, we had a snack for us. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you. looks after I've done the cleaning. At least they sit. At least hii kiti inaangalilika. Ilikuwa imejaa. Yeah, so even ndo kuko after cleaning. Oh God, lighting imeenda wapi? Hey. This is why I don't like shooting videos at this time, and this is why I don't like shooting videos in the room, because the lighting is not good for the camera, that is, but for the normal things it's just okay. Yeah, so that's how the room looks after I've made everything away, everything out. Yeah, so the seat is empty. I have that fan of mine on the table. The reason as to I have those clothes there, these are some of the clothes that Jerry had them on once, but they still can be used. Like, I think that's how almost everyone does. Kama kuna nguo zenye umevaa na si chafu kufua, unajua unaweza vaa the next day or not. Yeah, unaika hapo. So that those are Jerry's. Plus there is that pillow. Plus there is, I'm charging a lamp. As you can see, there is that lampshade. There is that shelf. There is those two side tables that I don't know where to put one, because I feel they're just too much there. Then the bed there, Jerry's bed as well. Yeah, so that's how it is. And I feel niko place fresh sasa. I don't know if everyone normally has this feeling of you've cleaned a place and you feel like, wow, I'm feeling clean. Yeah, so that is that. That's how everything looks. Then I have that stool bar. Is it a stool bar or a bar stool? I don't know, whatever it is. Jerry's toys, when he comes back atanionyesha the right place kuziweka juu tazitupanisha huko mbali. Then there is that small dustbin. Dustpan goes back to the kitchen. Then there is this basket where I put our dirty clothes. Then there is this another shelf here on the entrance on the left. Yeah, that's it for this room. So next time there is no another video for this room. This is the last video for this room, because I've always wanted to do, I like this the light that lampshade produces, and the camera, it looks just so not dark, not bright, but it looks good. Yeah, so yeah, this is also a video I've always wanted to do, and now we are done. So next time we'll see what else we have on the table. Yeah, so that's it for today's video. Make sure you like, you share, you comment down below what else you'd like me to be posting. Oh God, lighting imeenda kwao, like lighting haiko, but thank God kumeanza kukua late saa zile nishamaliza, which is okay, I don't mind. So guys, that's it for today. Make sure you like this video, you share, you comment, and I'll see you guys in my next coming videos. Goodbye guys.